back out here in the shop today. We're working on the Willys, and if you watched a couple episodes back when we took her out in the desert on our last adventure, a couple videos back, you can go check that out if you want. Something was going on inside the steering gearbox, and she just kept losing power steering. So she is in need of a massive upgrade, and we ordered us up a Redhead steering gearbox. Go ahead and open this up here to show you what we got. Also got that was attached to the box. Came with the instructions, what we need to do to make sure the warranty is what we need to. The instructions. Make sure you read through this. Some important information as far as the warranty goes on this steering gearbox from Redhead. We sent this little package here. Came with some O-rings. Says you may need to use 2 and or 3 of those in the installation. I opted to have them send me a prepaid packing stamp so I can send this thing back to the Corps. $275 Corps, so you don't want to miss out on that. But let me get this open here and show you guys what I had them put together for me over there. And this is in no way, shape, or form sponsored. I paid for this out of my own pocket, so you can get a pretty honest review of what this thing is. But I did my research online, and everything I read, these guys are top notch. So what I did is I ordered a direct replacement. Basically, it's a direct bolt-on, ready to go. All I got to do is unbolt the other one, plug this one in, bleed the system. We should be ready to go. The gearbox that I have on the truck now is a 3-turn. This one is a 4-turn, and otherwise what that means is this one actually has a little bit lower gears in it, which will help with the big 37-inch tires I'm running. Eventually I want to go to a little bit bigger tire, so this should help with that. Also, this steering gearbox came with these here ports. These are for an additional steering assist ram. So I will have, once I find the right hardware ram, give me some hoses, I'll be able to run a hydraulic power steering assist ram. So that'll be nice. It'll actually help quite a bit in the rocks and stuff with the bigger tires. Got the steering box out. I'm gonna have to run down to the parts store and have them pull that for me though. I don't have a puller, so I'm gonna have to go borrow one. I'll be back here in a minute. Alright, got the pit knob swapped out. We're gonna see if we can set this thing in there. Get it put back together. No, it seems to work pretty good. The gear ratio definitely turns easier, but it does take a little bit more input from my end of it to get it to turn as tight of a turn, but not drastic enough that I don't think I'm going to notice much of a difference, other than it is way easier to turn. So if you got 37-inch or bigger tires, I definitely recommend running the 4-turn box over the 3-turn box. I don't know what was going on with my GoPro. It was telling me it was too hot in here, so you can tell by the glisten on my head it probably was a little too hot to be running that thing, but I caught what I could. We got it all installed. It seems to work pretty good. We'll have to go out and test it here soon. Till then, we'll see you guys later. Hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hello. I love talking on camera. I sound like an idiot. Hello, we're back out in the shop today. You're walking in the background. Probably thinks I'm a loon and you're talking to the camera.